In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own logo with Canva. First, open Canva and click Create. Then choose Custom Size. Enter 500 by 500 pixels. A square canvas is ideal for logos because it adapts well across social profiles, websites, and print. And this size is perfect for designing a clean concept without getting bogged down by huge files. Next, browse the thousands of professional, industry-specific templates. You'll find styles for gaming, food, fashion, and more. Templates are great for getting ideas fast. Look for layouts with clear shapes, strong contrast, and simple typography. If you already have a vision or want something truly unique, select a blank template to start from scratch. A blank canvas helps you focus on essential building blocks, shape, type, and spacing. Now let's customize. Start with text. Replace the placeholder with your brand name and explore Canva's extensive font library. Try a few that match your brand personality: bold sans serifs for modern tech, elegant serifs for premium, playful scripts for creative brands. Pay attention to readability and spacing. Adjust letter spacing and line height until the text feels balanced and clear at small sizes. Move on to color. Begin in black and white so you focus on silhouette and structure first. If your logo is strong without color, it will shine when color is added. Once the form works, apply your brand palette or experiment with 2 to 3 complementary tones. Keep contrast high for legibility. Head to the Elements tab to add shapes, graphics, or icons that represent your brand. Aim for simplicity. Geometric shapes and minimal icons scale better and look cleaner. Try combining a simple symbol with your text and make sure line weights and styles match so the design feels cohesive. Refine the layout by arranging elements and adjusting sizes. Use the position tools to align everything precisely. Center your icon with the text. Distribute spacing evenly and watch your margins so nothing feels cramped. Zoom in to check edges and alignment. Then zoom out to see if the logo reads well at a glance. Remove anything unnecessary. Clarity is your best friend. When you are happy, it's time to download. Click Share, then download. For best quality, choose PNG. If you have Canva Pro, enable transparent background so your logo works on any background color or image without a box around it. That's it. Thanks for watching.